Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So Fire TV is a great way to play Amazon Music through your home theater, or basically the home voice system, the home sound system, but sometimes the app just won't cooperate. Maybe it won't open, songs won't play, or it keeps crashing. So since Fire TV and Amazon Music are both Amazon products, they usually work seamlessly. But occasional glitches do happen. In today's small tutorial, I will show you exactly how to troubleshoot and fix Amazon Music issues on Fire TV, so you can get back to enjoying music on the big screen, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So first and first, before even going through all of them settings, we want to check our internet connection. So on your Fire TV, go all the way to the network part and look if you are fully connected to a good Wi-Fi. Look if the signal is strong. If the connection is weak, try moving your router closer or at least restart it. Then first stop the Amazon Music app by going through the settings, applications, manage install applications, then scroll down and select Amazon Music, click force stop, then clear the cache. As for basically just go back and relaunch Amazon Music again. Try restarting your basically Fire TV as well by unplugging your Fire TV device from power for like 13 seconds or 30 seconds. Then plug it back in and wait for it to fully restart. Open Amazon Music and try again. Then you can check if there is any updates available by going through settings, applications, App Store. Turn on automatic updates if it's not already on, and that's it. So thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.